Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about what is Learn and Earn in Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know what is Learn and Earn, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after that tap to the Binance icon into the top left, and after tapping into there you will get to see a bunch of options. You just simply have to select more options, and then you will get to see a lot of options into this page. Now you just simply have to scroll down to gift and campaign option and select this option of Learn and Earn. Tap there and then this page will open up. Now at very first you will directly get to see earn free crypto through learning. It means you will have to learn something from this section by reading all these articles and watching videos, and take part in this campaign and tap to start learning. And after learning this up, you will get the options such as taking part in a quiz and completing some puzzles and those kind of things, and if you got that right you will be rewarded into your Binance, and this way you will earn by learning. So I hope you understand all the process and things about Learn and Earn. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.